this is one of our most ambitious projects yet. It is where we ignore all preconceived notions of possibility. It is where Rolls-Royce, in collaboration with a very small number of its most revered clients, sets new standards. Every Rolls-Royce client is extraordinary, but within this group there exists a class of individual so significant that they demand an object that is truly transformative. They seek to commission a work of art that makes a permanent statement, an historic moment in time. And we have created Rolls-Royce Coach Build to fulfill these desires. When a Rolls-Royce Coach Build commission is created, it represents the moment a paradigm shifts, when preconceived notions of possibility are reset. And the outcome reflects a vision so focused that its significance transcends the world of motor cars. We created the contemporary coach building movement in 2017 with Sweptail. This remarkable hand-built motor car was instantly proclaimed as one of the finest intercontinental tourers in history. It represented a major recalibration of possibility and confirmed that the legacy of Rolls-Royce will be defined in collaboration with its clients. Sweptail set a new watermark of potential and ignited a fascination among a rarefied group of our clients. Among them, collectors, patrons of the arts and commissioning clients of now iconic architecture. These people approached Rolls-Royce to discover if they too could collaborate on a project. Artistic and craft skill set that does not exist anywhere else in the automotive industry. Today, Rolls-Royce observes an historical moment. It's not just the introduction of a product, but